Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. What we're going to do today is we're going to generate random words from an array. So I'm going to create an array here called words, and I'm going to assign it to QW, quoted words, and put some words in so dog, cat, horse, mouse, ship, car, plane. Right. Okay, now we're going to put it into a subroutine, so I'm going to call it sub generate words. Okay, so we're in a subroutine there. Right, I'm going to create a scalar variable called rand. For words, rand words, first of all. I'm going to assign that to shuffle. And before you do this, you actually need to use the list utility here, or else this won't work. So you need to import that. So we're going to shuffle the words, and that's going to be between 0. We're going to use between 0 and 3 words here. So right, we're going to create a scale variable called rand text. Assign that to join, and that's going to be rand words. And now we're going to print it out. Print scalar rand text. Right, we're going to generate it, so that's going to be generate random words. Okay, we're just going to call it. Right, so let's run this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get it down to 2 here. Between 0 and 2, so 0, 1, 2. Yep, we've got 3 words there. Okay, let's get it down to 0, 1. So we should have between 0 and 1, so we should have 2 words. Let's run that. Okay, car, cat. Let's run it again. Plane, ship. So we can see that these words are random. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.